All right, next up on the list is our first jig set of the tier list. It's the Wandering Musician. We'll probably take it at like a 71. These are gonna be slower, even slower, but because of the jig tempo, this is another set that I did back in the day. It's nice, it's clean, right?
High B, low A for now?
Yeah, it's not too much misdirection.
No.
It's kind of just clean all the way through. The set dance is, oh, then we're back into A. So,
Yeah, I don't know
it's
if
a
I like
BA,
the set.
It's a BA type of
Set
thing.
kind of is whatever.
The set, okay.
But I like the A tune is great. So yeah, I say solid A.
It's on the shorter side. I think it's 8 bars, and then 16 in the set, where you could technically do a drunken gauger or a blackthorn stick and get 15 bars, and effectively dance on the stage longer than someone who's doing Wandering Musician. But
That's
it's a
not
nice
always a
tune.
good-
I wouldn't mind putting this up in A tier.
Yeah.
We're agreeing on A tier.
Yeah, and then I mean, I feel like because it's like the first couple, like we can always like move them around if we need to.